Hi friends, this is a quick tutorial of Microsoft's Team, the student view, which is not very much, which is not very different from the teacher's view. It's almost alike. So let's not waste any further time and quickly jump onto it. So you can see the Microsoft Teams logo. So you just go and click on it. The Microsoft Team page opens up. You have to feed in the email address or the login ID of the student. So I have taken a student login over here. Once I've put this login, I will sign in. Since I've already logged into this account earlier, so it is not asking for the password. But if it's the first time that you would be logging in, it would ask for your password. So just go ahead, feed in the password, and then the page would open up for you. So yeah. This is how the team's view would look like for the child, which is similar to what it is for the teacher view as well. Except for the fact that there are few options of limitations which are applicable for the students because it was set up by the administration. Okay, so as you can see, the child Yash has been added to three teams. These three teams are actually the three classes to which he has been added to. If you click on the calendar, if you click on the calendar, and I'll go to the Monday calendar, you can see the three classes that will appear in three different tiles for the student, uh, which would actually be the timetable for which the student has to attend the classes. So simply just go and click on any class the student has to join and simply click on join to be a part of the class. You may join with or without the camera and mute yourself if you and go ahead and join the class. Once you do so, you are in the class waiting for your teacher to join and the other participants. It's as simple and as easy as that. So therefore, the calendar gives you a consolidated view of all the classes that has been organized for you in that particular day. So this is just a sample. So I have created three classes for this child. It's PYP art, drama, and music on three different time slots. So if it will not, of course, this is pre-assigned by the different subject teachers and the homerooms together. So obviously nothing will overlap each other, and it would be like as if the child is in the virtual classroom, following the virtual timetable for joining a particular class. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.